Army Revolt Rumours dismissed as deadly nonsense. VP Chiwenga returns from Rome amid turmoil. Sanapera mashoko kuda panguva ino achinzi aiwa Army Revolt Rumours panguva ino odismissiwa. Panguva ino achinzi aiwa this is just deadly nonsense. Zviitika patoti VP Kosano Chiwenga vanobva vadzoka zvavo from Rome ndori subscribe like on the bell kuti ndina munomuda nyuka muchinzi. Government sources have strongly dismissed swirling reports claiming the Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF held a private meeting today without VP Kosano Chiwenga and the President Mnangagwa, and that they had withdrawn security personnel from the two leaders. In course, there is no such development, a senior government source told ZVAITWA on Monday. The murmurs are there that the VP has let them down, but the army cannot withdraw security from the president, and they cannot meet privately and publish it. They will be killed straight away. The sources insisted that any authentic military arrangements of such a sensitive nature would never be made public. If the army arranges something, it will never be published, one source said, shutting down speculation of a brewing military revolt. The vice president, who reportedly returned from Rome today, has not commented on the rumors. Meanwhile, ZDF Commander General Valerio Swanda was confirmed to have been attending a presidential agricultural meeting focused on the arrival of goats and sheep from Belarus, a project already drawing internal criticism of a lack of veterinary expertise and the practical benefits to the armed forces. While the government insists that the president's security remains intact, the source acknowledged that ordinary army personnel can withdraw security from the vice president, but not from the president. That's impossible. Presidential spokesman George Charamba had not commented at the time of writing. Thomas Kwaruda panguva ino atikona kuti aiwa panapa the ruling party ZANU-PF and government inouya ichikanzura mashoko ari kunzi marumors enhema ekuti panguva ino pane sangano wanga wagarwa pasi nevakomana vemauto aiwa kuti aiwa they are now withdrawing their forces pane the leaders veZANU-PF. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe, like, and turn the bell icon.